Does your heart feel heavy today? Has life's burdens stolen your smile, making joy feel like a distant memory? I want to share something with you that can bring back that light. God's word has this incredible power to restore gladness from the inside out. No matter what you're facing, let's explore 10 Bible verses that are like a balm for a weary soul. First, Psalm 16:11 says, "Thou wilt shew me the path of life. In thy presence is fullness of joy." This tells us that true, complete joy is found simply by being with God. It's not about what's happening around us, but who we are with. Next, Nehemiah 8:10 reminds us, "The joy of the Lord is your strength." When you feel weak, drained, and unable to go on, the joy that comes from God becomes your superpower, your fuel to keep moving forward. In John 15:11, Jesus himself tells us, "These things have I spoken unto you, that my joy might remain in you." Think about that. Jesus wants his own perfect, unshakable joy to live inside of you. It's a gift he freely offers. When you're going through a dark time, hold on to Psalm 30:5. "Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning." This is a beautiful promise that your sorrow isn't permanent. A new day, filled with joy, is on its way. Romans 15:13 is a powerful prayer. "Now the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace in believing." This verse shows us that joy and peace are directly connected to our faith. As we trust in God, he fills us up. Have you ever felt like your life is in ashes? Isaiah 61:3 offers this incredible exchange. God promises to give beauty for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning. He can transform your deepest pain into something beautiful and anoint you with joy. Then there's 1 Peter 1:8, which describes a joy so profound it is hard to put into words. "He rejoiced with joy unspeakable and full of glory." This isn't just happiness, it's a deep, glorious joy that comes from our faith in him, even when we can't see him. If you're in a season of hard work and struggles, Psalm 126:5 gives this assurance, "They that sow in tears shall reap in joy." Your hard work, your prayers, your tears, they are seeds being planted, and the harvest will be one of great joy. Proverbs 17:22 gives us some practical wisdom. "A merry heart doth good like a medicine." Choosing a joyful attitude can literally bring healing to your body and soul. It's God's prescription for wellness. Finally, Galatians 5:20 lists joy as a fruit of the Spirit. This means that as we stay connected to God, joy naturally grows in our lives, just like fruit grows on a healthy tree. Remember, joy is not rooted in your circumstances but in God's constant presence. When you draw near to him, joy will rise again. Choose to lean into God today. If these verses spoke to you, please like this video and share it with someone who might need their joy restored. Thanks for watching.